Hey, welcome to the Social Seed. I'll be setting a Halloween welcome table for a client. Let's get into it. I made a $10 PVC backdrop that was so easy to make. I'm creating the backdrop using a plain white sheet. Lay your sheet on a flat surface and use packing tape to create rows about 12 inches apart. Next, you are going to hot glue more tape onto the rows. Make sure the sticky side is facing up. I have cut strips of streamers and am placing them in an alternating pattern. Be sure to cut the first few rows slightly longer than the top rows. Here's a tip to help with the backdrop. Create a loop at the top of the sheet to thread through the pipe. Either stitch with thread or by using heat and bond extra hold. Next up, balloons. I used 100 black, orange, pastel gray, and marble balloons, all from Amazon. A detailed shopping list will soon be available on the Social Seeds blog. You can find us on Pinterest. My favorite part of decorating is definitely styling tables. I prefer for my tables to be layered with fabrics and to be slightly overfilled. Let's talk about table linens. I started off with a plain black tablecloth and added a black and white striped fabric. I also added some orange and black polka dot placemats. Next, I added the two adorable Frankenstein boxes. To create these boxes, you will need 2 crate boxes, green, black, white, and gray paint. They are very easy to make. Flowers and candles are a top party essential for me. Trader Joe's has some of the best flowers and greenery if you do not want to use a florist. I am also adding in some custom spooky frames that you will get to see up close in a few moments. On the floor, I've added 2 more craft boxes to create levels and have also added in some pale gray artisan pumpkins. I noticed a gap on the floor, so I added a light up jack-o'-lantern. Cool fact, we've actually had this jack-o'-lantern since I was a kid. Before you are finished, be sure to take a moment for final touches. Fix any details that need to be corrected and stand back to admire your work. Here's a final look at the table. I hope you enjoyed my very first video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys Monday, November the 2nd for a special video. Until then, happy Halloween. I'll see you soon.